How do I get this damn ad out of the way? There we go.
Yeah, he's got it.
Row 9. Okay, you just.
Row 9.
Bro.
Oh,
shit.
Watch
me be like LA.
What's row 9? What's row 9?
LA YouTubers.
LA YouTubers.
No, Omnision. Type in Omnision. Omnision fans.
Yeah, okay, yeah. That's good enough. Alright, change the
Submit.
name.
Wait, what?
No, change the name.
Oh, wait, we need a template cover photo.
You're so trash! Okay.
I'll find one.
Nah, I got a couple.
Oh, damn. I got some really good ones.
Perfect cover.
No! No! Yes!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, we made a tier list!
Wait, oh no, can you not move those? Oh no. Okay, good. Okay,
Okay, so who should we do first?
YouTube. YouTube. Put it on D.
As in D nut.
Alright, Mimulus S.
Yes, because he put me in this video. Oh, yes.
Yep.
Corpse, B.
I'm pretty alright, D. Oh, wait, first, let's put him below here.
Oh, Steve. I think Steve is here.
Hello.
Oh, Steve's here.
We're making a tier list, Steve, and I made this.
Alright.
Austin.
Put him A.
What? Yo mama has to be on S.
Yes.
Yeah,
Where should I
my
go?
channel on D.
Oh yeah, this is the worst YouTuber ever right here.
Oh yeah, that's me, everybody. Put me in the session. Yep.
No,
This one, there's not even a place on the list for him.
Bruh!
Two men A.
Who made S?
No!
He's goat here.
Pokimane?
He's Daddy Senpai.
D. Suck my D's nuts.
Best Carmen 3 AM contest.
Logan Paul, let's put him at a C, because he's not bad right now, but he was bad in the past.
S. He did the thing where he left at a body. I mean, that's hilarious, man. Am I right?
B sauce.
Dude, let's
A.
tip. How to basic S.
Wacky.
Lucas.
Where should he go?
D. Swagger Souls, put him at D.
March on the
Uh,
side?
He has a big
Lucas.
dick.
Yeah.